Hello friends, welcome to your channel Daily Informative Contents. If you want to follow everyday's news headlines, please subscribe to the channel. You can also read these headlines yourself by clicking the link given in the description. Now let's have a glance over today's headlines. After growing uncertainty and confusion throughout the country about the traveling guidelines, especially post-announcement of flight operations, Centre finally announced fresh guidelines on Sunday evening. Either home quarantine or compulsory 7 days of isolation is among the list of guidelines within different states, while Centre advising the use of Arogya Setu for ease in monitoring. Yet international passengers have to pay for their 7-day institutional quarantine. Assam, in a special move, booked numerous hotel rooms for the travelers entering its territory. Due to Storm Amphan, flight operations in Bengal is disrupted for 3 days till 28th. However, Andhra Pradesh government will allow operations only from 26th May. India has seen a surge of approximately 7,000 cases on Sunday. Now it stands at 10th position, a rank lesser than even Iran. In a preempt move, Delhi government is trying to minimize the possible upcoming surge in number of cases due to recent eases in lockdown by adding multiple quarantine centers and clinics for COVID patients. Maharashtra now have 1/3 of all number of cases in the country. Ashok Chauhan tested positive. Now there are total 2 positive cases in the state cabinet of Maharashtra. Indian Army on Sunday denied reports of alleged detention of its troop members and seizure of arsenals by Chinese forces along the line of actual control. After facing the heat for its dictatorial order regarding the ban on use of mobile phones inside the COVID wards in hospitals, UP government finally took back its order. Red alert issued in 5 states: Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Chandigarh for upcoming heat waves and rise in temperature. A monk and a person found dead again in Maharashtra, accused arrested. Police officer in Tihar jail tested positive for COVID-19. In Jammu and Kashmir, security forces along with local police arrested 4 terrorists of Lashkar-e-Taiba. India will get its delivery of Rafale jets on time, said France. Congress alleged Yogi government is exploiting the power after they got several FIRs registered against their workers and party members by the state police. Patanjali, a firm owned by Baba Ramdev, has given proposal to MP government for running trials of Ayurvedic medicines at clinic levels. In a strange move, Yogi government asked other states to take its permission while employing laborers from UP. After immigration of migrant workers and increase in number of cases, death toll in Bihar reached to 12. According to Health Minister Harshvardhan, vaccines for virus could enter the phase of clinical trials within next 3 to 5 months. LG Polymers, a firm in Andhra Pradesh where the incident of gas leak occurred some days earlier, has been ordered to be seized. Only the members of committees investigation the case would be allowed inside the premises of the company. Delhi High Court refused to take into consideration alleged reports of vague report presented by the state government. Fresh guidelines regarding marriages and family ceremonies issued in Delhi. One needs to take permissions from DM and local administration prior to the function. Matter of online open book exams for DU now in HRD ministry. According to reports, fast-moving consumer goods and auto sector to get more boost in the market. Experts say results of companies and tensions between America and China will decide the move of market this week. ITC Limited to acquire Sunrise Foods, a spice brand of Eastern India. That's all from here. Thanks a lot.